Another topic we are going to discuss is pictogram and bar chart with scale. So let's start. Rani collects data on how a group of puppies travel to school. She records the data in table. Actually the Rani is someone who collect the data. Data mean information that how the student come to school. Frequency is 30 and the mode of travel is bicycle. It means 30 students come to school by using bicycle and the bus is being used by the 40 student. Actually the frequency means a total number and 40 mean the 40 student use here in this table. The 40 represent the number of students who use buses to come to the school, and the 20 students come to school by using car, and by train 25 student comes, and by walking 45 student comes. All the information can also be represented by in pictogram. The picture is given and there are for the first column says it is a bicycle. The same table is being made here and the written is bicycle, and the 30 is represented by 3 diamond, and the key is given there. Here is the key. It is the key. When a pictogram you are given, you must see a key is there. A 1 diamond represents 10 pupils. It means this is 10 pupils and this is 10 pupils and this is 10 pupils. If we add all of 3, it becomes 30. The same here. But the difference is there. Here is the information written in the numeric information, and here it is pictogram. And the 1 diamond represents 10 pupils. So half the diamond represents 5 pupils. Now 40 students come through bus. So there are 4 diamonds because 1 diamond represents 10 pupils. So there are 4 diamonds, and the car is used by student come from car is 20. So there must be 2 diamonds because 1 diamond represents 10 pupils. Similarly, train is being used by 25 students, the 25 pupils. So 20 is represented by the 2 diamond, complete diamond, because 1 is of 10 students, so 10 and 10, 20, and we use half diamond here, so it represents 5 students. 5 students. So it's become 25. Similarly, by working there are 45 students come. So 4 is for the 40, 10, 20, 30 and 40 students, and plus half is for the 5. So it becomes 45. We can see at one glance that how many students are coming through walking. So the question says how many pupils are there altogether. We can just calculate here the number. So find the total number of students, or we may calculate through pictogram. So how many complete diamonds are there? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 is complete, and half here and half here. So it means 1 year. So it becomes 16. So 16 is complete diamond, and 16 multiplied by 10 is become 160. When you multiply 16 by 10, it become 160. So altogether, if you add here as well, it will be 160. So total 160 students are there, but the difference is there. Here the number is written, and here is the same information is given here with pictogram. Similarly, we move to the second sheet. It says the frequency table and pictogram shows the number of stickers each child has. Maya has 15 more stickers than Sania. Complete the frequency table and pictogram. Azreen has frequency 30. Here the frequency shows the number of sticker, and the above picture the frequency is number of pupils. Now here the number of sticker. So Azreen has 30 stickers, Benny has 35, Dawn has 20, and the Maya has 15 more stickers than Sania, and Sania has 25. So 25 plus 15, it becomes 40. So when you add 25 plus 15, because Maya has 15 more than Sania, so we add 15 to the number of stickers Sania has. So 5 is 10, 0, 1 is carried, 2 over 3 and 1 4. So 40 sticker Maya has. Now pictogram shows the same information with pictogram. So Azreen has 30. So and one circle represent 10 sticker. So Azreen has 30. So there are 30 circles are there, and each is represented by 10 sticker. CKRs, 10 stickers. And Benny has 35. So 10, 20, 30 and half, 35. So Ben has 35. And the Dawn has 10 and then 20. The 20 is here. And the Maya has 40. So we must have to circle, make the circle. So 1, 2, 3 and the 4. 4 circles you have to make, because one circle represents 10 sticker. And the Maya has 40 because she has 15 more than Sania. And the Sania has 25. So we made 10, 20 and the half circle is this. Or you may write this one. You may write this one. The half circle, half fill. And it is 4. You can shade this. And the question says, how many stickers do the 5 children have altogether? There are 5 students. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And how many stickers they have? So you can calculate through numbers and through pictograms. So how many circles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 is complete, and 2 half. So 14 and 1, it becomes 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 1, 15. So 15 circles are there, and one circle represents 10 stickers. So how many stickers are there? 150 stickers are there. It is 150. And it is easier to use the frequent table or the pictogram to find the answer. And it is, which one is the easiest? Pictogram. Pictogram. By just counting circles. By just counting circles. Now the last one. The pictogram shows the number of cupcakes 4 bakeries sold on Monday morning. Bakery A sold 1, 2, 3, 4, and each triangle represent 5 cupcakes. So, okay. Now, how many fewer cupcakes did C says than bakery D? Okay. Now we have to first find how many of the cupcakes sold by each bakery. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles there, and the 4 multiplied by 10, it means it is 40 cupcakes sold by bakery A, and each one is 5, not 10, 5. So the 20, here it is 20, because 5, each triangle is represented by 5. So 5, 5, 10, 15 and 20. And it has 2. So 2 multiplied by 5 is equal to 10 cupcakes sold by bakery B, and the bakery C sold by 3 5s are 15 cupcake, and the bakery D sold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 multiplied by 5 is equal to 25 cupcake. So D. The question was, how many fewer cupcakes sold by bakery C than bakery D? So bakery C sold 15 and bakery D sold 25. So the difference is 10. 10 cupcakes is less sold by bakery C. And how many cupcake did the 4 bakeries sell altogether? The one thing that we can count we add all the number here or we just calculate the number of triangle and multiply by 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 is the triangle and when we multiply by 5 it becomes 5 for the 20, 0, plus carry 5 for the 5 and 6, 7. So 70 cupcakes sold by the 4 bakery. It is all about this worksheet. Still there is any problem, you may write in comment. I will reply you inshallah.